Again, congratulations po sa engineering team and Coffee Master team for entering the 23rd Iswimako Basketball League. Reminder na lang din po ulit, since this is the finals, this is the do or die game, wala nang second chance. So just play, enjoy, then at palagi ko pong riniremind sa inyo na please po, maglaro po tayo ng maayos, maglaro po tayo ng fair, and sana po iwasan po natin yung mga intentional na sakitan. Yun po, maraming salamat.
Oh, kamay.
MVP!
Yan o.
MVP!
Good luck on both teams.
May pista pa dyan, wala na. Sa baser na. Kapal tayo dito. Ayan, may nakapal. Sa baser na lang.
Alanganin sa espiritu.
Ano, ready?
Ready? Okay na.
Ready? Okay.
Jump rope between Ferrer and Espada. Step by Espada. Kuha ni Padilla. To Labrador using the ball. No. Rebound by Domingo. To Santiago. Santiago to Domingo. Domingo at tempo 2. Wala. Domingo pa rin. For 2. Padilla. Looking for receiver. Bigay kay Espada sa ilalim. Nilabas ulit. Bigay kay Labrador. Looking for receiver. Nakita si Garovin for 3. No good. Rebound by Domingo. Pass to Dexter. Aras by Garovin. To Santiago. To Gonzalez for 3 points for Gonzalez. Again. Padilla to Labrador. Nag-iisip mag-tres si Labrador. Looking for receiver. Nakita si Padilla for 3. No good. Rebound by Ferrer. To Domingo. Domingo to Dexter. Dexter atem sa gitna. And may pito po tayo. Foul line. First throw for Dexter.
Sige, baba.
Garovin, pinababa ang bola. To Labrador. Labrador looking for receiver. Back to Garovin. Garovin to Padilla. To Labrador. Nagmamailabes. Labrador looking for receiver. To Garovin. Pumasok sa gitna and foul. Domingo gumita. Gives to Gonzalez and blocked by Labrador. Nice save by Domingo. Juan Ferrer. Easy to for Ferrer. Padilla to Garovin. Garovin pinilit sa gitna and jump ball.
Copy master.
Coffee Masters ball. Santiago nag-iisip, pinasa, intercepted by Padilla. Padilla to Labrador. Labrador nagmamadali, fast break, bigay kay Garovin. Easy 2 points for Garovin. Santiago ulit, binababa ang bola. Looking for receiver. Bigay kay Domingo. Domingo for 3. No good. Rebound by Ferrer sa ilalim. Wala pa rin. Rebound na Juan Espada. Bigay kay Padilla. Padilla to Labrador. Nagmamadali. Guarded by Gonzalez. Labrador. Wala. Pulot niyo at bigay kay Gonzalez. Gonzalez to Dexter. Dexter at M43, wala. Gonzalez for 3, no good. Rebound by Domingo. Domingo to Ferrer. Wala, rebound ni Espada. Espada to Padilla. Padilla to Kerubin. Rebound by Dexter. Gonzalez to Santiago. Santiago sa gitna, bigay kay Dexter, wala. Nakuha ni Perez. Perez to Labrador, nagmamadali uli. Naglelo, naghanap na papasahan. Labrador sa ilalim and traveling violation. Gonzalez to Santiago to Domingo. Gonzalez for 3 points. Padilla. Padilla to Perez sa ilalim. Easy 2 points for Perez. 5 minutes and 12 seconds remaining. 6-12 ang score. Lamang po ang Coffee Masters. Gonzalez. Gonzalez sa gitna, bigay kay Dexter, wala. Pulot ni, walang pumulot. Padilla, baseball pass. To Espada, wala. Rebound ni Dexter. To Gonzalez. Gonzalez, nabitawan ang bola. To De La Cruz, wala pa rin. Rebound by Domingo. Domingo, aras by Kerubin. Domingo pa rin. Bigay kay Gonzalez for 3 points. Padilla. To Espada sa ilalim. Wala, rebound by Dexter. To Santiago, binababa ang bola. Santiago to De La Cruz. To Santiago, to Domingo. Domingo, aras by Kerubin. Triple team. Gibbs to Santiago. Padilla. Padilla for 3 points. Then second shot block. Rebound by Santiago. Easy 2 points for Santiago. Padilla to Labrador. Labrador for 3. No rebound by Espada. Follow-up shot. Easy 2 points for Espada. Foul.
Audience impact. Audience impact. Yan o. Naka-video yan. Wala, mamaya mag-live. Kaumpisa pa lang eh. May kumakaway dito eh.
Yan, mamaya na ako yan. Shoutout nga pala, shoutout nga pala, Mahara. Wala pa sahod.
Wala pa rin ba? Baka Sunday siguro.
Malay nyo, abang 15 papalitan.
Sabay-sabay.
Sabay-sabay. Ayos. Sige, sige. Welcome, welcome.
Hindi pala pumunta, hindi si Sir Jaro. Kabudi! Mike, shooter ka, Mike.
Last row. 1 point for Dexter.
Dilim dito.
Espada to Padilla. Padilla to Labrador. Labrador for 3. Using the board. No. Rebound by Dexter. Bigay kay Gonzales. Gonzales again. Pero pinasok sa loob. Wala pa rin. Rebound by De Castro. To Padilla. To Labrador. Labrador to Espada sa ilalim. Back to Labrador. To Kerubin for 3. Rebound by Santiago. Santiago to Domingo. Domingo. Sorry by Kerubin. Domingo. Pinipilit. Domingo for perimeter 2. Wala. Rebound by Espada. To Padilla. To Kerubin. Intercepted by Domingo. To Santiago. Santiago to De La Cruz. De La Cruz for easy to. Padilla to Labrador. Labrador for 3. Still no good. Foul, no?
At least na-minimize na ang offensive rebound nila. Attack tayo. Kasi
Meron pala doon sa taas eh, oh.
Doon, sinal ba?
Ayos.
Time remaining 1 minute and 17 seconds. Still lamang ang Coffee Masters ng Siam. Padilla to De Castro. Back to Padilla for 3 and no good. Rebound by Kerubin. To Padilla for 3 again. Wala. Domingo nakabulot ng rebound. To Gonzales, intercepted by Labrador. Nagmamadaling bumaba. And foul. Number